I'm sure there are a lot of people that want to make money online. You, on the other hand, do not want to spend any money and would rather do it for free. So I conducted my own research and came up with this fantastic technique that would pay you $1.50 every 15 seconds of work. Amazing, right? The best part is, I even kept track of the most difficult parts. So stay tuned until the very end of this video. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. With that said, I would like to welcome everyone to Smart Money Girl. In this channel, I love teaching people how to build a business and make money online the smart way. And if you don't want to miss out on more videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button down below and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said guys, let's jump straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Gmail and log in. Most likely you already are, but if you aren't, go ahead and do so now. In case you don't have one, just sign up and create one. The second thing you must do is go to this site right here called crowdfireapp.com, which is the website that will be paying us today. So in this strategy guys, we'll actually be managing other people's social media accounts, and don't worry, you won't need any kind of social media following for this. In reality, a lot of people who don't have a lot of free time actually utilize Crowdfire, but we're going to use it in a completely different way. You can learn more about this site here, but I won't go through everything because it isn't necessary. You'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website and click on affiliates or referral. So we will be promoting this site as an affiliate, but believe it or not, we won't be relying on just one social media platform to achieve this. This is a one-of-a-kind method, as you'll discover shortly. However, have a look at this. You can earn up to $420 per single customer by advertising this website as an affiliate. This isn't common, but the fact that it may happen is incredible. Just below, you can see that you will receive 35% of all payments made to Crowdfire by someone you referred. And that, my friends, is an adequate amount. Commissions of 35% aren't bad at all. You are paid in cash, plain and easy. Amazing, right? You don't even have to invest anything to join their affiliate program. And you can start making money right now with this, even if you don't have a single dime in your bank account. They provide fast payouts, which means that you won't have to wait too long to get paid, which basically means unlimited income, so you can make as much money as you like. And easy tracking and reporting, so you'll have complete information on how much money you've made as well as other things. You can see here how this actually works. So what you do is you sign up and get your referral or affiliate link. And the way that works guys is basically when someone clicks on that link, it refers them to crowdfireapp.com. And when that same person who clicked your affiliate link accesses this site, then decides to pay this site, you automatically get a share from the money they've invested. Keep in mind that promoting your link is how you get more people to click on it, of course. And the more you promote, the more people click on it and the more money you make. Remember, where you share your link doesn't matter, so you have permission to share it wherever you want for as long as it gets clicks. Lastly, when a certain number of people sign up to this site, you also can get share from all of their payment. Now, the next thing I want to show you is something I know you have been thinking about this whole time, which is how much money will you exactly be making? You can check that out by clicking on pricing right here, which will bring you this page. As you can see, Crowdfire has 4 different pricing options. We have here 1 being free and 3 other paid ones. We can also see that it has annual and monthly payment options, with annual ones offering a slight discount considering the customer paid for a year rather than a month. Now, I'll be showing you later on which people you will target on how to reach them. Generally, those people who will have a big budget are people that we should be targeting, as they will have more money to spend and will be far more willing to pay the VIP annual plan, which if you tally up will earn you around $300 a year for a single customer. Now you can see that this site really has a huge potential. Imagine 10 customers signing up, which means $3,000. 100 means $30,000. The great news is, later I'm gonna show you an easy way to reach literally thousands of people, so you will be able to earn a lot of money. So stick with me. Now, what you want to do is come back over to this page, click on Join Now right here, and create your account. You can actually sign up via Google if you want to. I'll now log into my own account so I can show you exactly how everything will look when you do. Okay, so this is exactly what you will see when you log into your brand new account, guys. This, as you can see, is not Crowdfire's website, and you can see right here that a bunch of companies will be shown to you, which you can then promote as an affiliate. Your job is to find Crowdfire and click on Join Program. Afterwards, you will be taken to the dashboard wherein you will be able to track all your earnings. It is important to note that here, you will be able to find your affiliate link. You will now have to copy it and come over to the next platform. If you liked what you are viewing and learning in this video, please smash the like button down below and comment your reactions about knowing this strategy. Now, back onto the video. So, the next platform that we are gonna use is called bitly.com. So what is gonna happen is that this site will shorten any link you want. This is actually an optional step for you guys, but in my opinion, you should be doing this. The main purpose of this is your link becomes more tempting for people to click on. Affiliate links are usually quite long. Thus, shortening them will make them far more appealing. Then, what you want to do is paste the link in here, then click on shorten, and it will now shorten it for you in a second or so. With that out of the way, let's now get to the part of how you will get people to click on your link and how you actually get traffic. For this, we are going to be using Gmail, guys, and what you need to do is click on Compose right here. And do you remember when I said at the start of the video that I did the hardest part of the work for you? Well, here it is. I typed the actual email that you are going to send to people. So all you gotta do is copy and paste it. As easy as that. I will just put the link to this file in the description box down below for you to check it out. So now, you wanna come over and paste that text. From here on, you will then add your affiliate link right here, and where it says name, you will type in your full name. Once you are done with that, we now need to find people to send this to. And of course, I will show that to you as well. What you will need to do is go over to Google and search for a list of social media marketing companies, and you will be easily able to find thousands and thousands of these. Now, for your affiliate link, you actually just need a few of them to sign up through it, and you would already make a very decent profit and passive income. As far as which page you want to open, I recommend this one right here, and check this out. There are over 30,000 firms here. Now that's a lot of potential customers if you ask me. And these are the perfect customers for Crowdfire. because it will save them a lot of time and it won't cost them a lot of money. And remember, we're talking about companies here, so unlike individual people, they will have a much greater budget, which means a better chance that they'll go for the expensive payments options over on Crowdfire. After that, you now want to get their email address. To do that, you click on Visit website and open up any of this. Find their contact info, which is generally located at either the top or bottom. In my case, it's right here. And on the next page, I can find their email address and all I have to do is copy it. Come back over here, paste it, and send this message to them. We then will repeat this process over and over with all these different companies. And do you know what is the best part about this strategy? There are actually thousands of them you can choose from. If you remember earlier, I mentioned that with 100 customers signing up, it can mean $30,000 a year for you and passive income. So what you just have to do is actually refer them to the website and you will make money in recurring commissions over and over again. Which means you don't need to always find customers in order to get paid. Just do this once and that's it. And now we've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below, as it helps the channel grow a lot. And if you want to keep up to date with all my next uploads, then make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell down below so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching everyone, and I'll see you all soon in my next Smart Ways to Make Money Online. Bye!